Installing the right fuel tank lightning protection products. Not all lightning strikes require direct contact to damage exposed oil fields and tanks. Accidental lightning arcs nearby will cause a chain reaction, prompting fires and explosions in storage tanks, liquids, and equipment throughout the site. The generation of charges on materials, and the dissipation of these accumulated charges can cause electrostatic hazards. As we see the temperature rise, the threat of lightning is expected to increase in areas that become warmer and drier. No matter which part of the world you are in or how often lightning events occur in your area, precious products can be destroyed with just one blow. The necessity of installing the right fuel tank lightning protection products. Fuel tanks are highly susceptible to lightning current created by direct and indirect strikes and pose potentially catastrophic results leading to significant loss of product, financial impact, loss of operations and human safety. Reports indicate that 30+% of fuel tank fires are caused by lightning. More specifically, it is estimated that 95% of rim seal fires are the result of lightning strikes. Not just any solution, but the right lightning protection products from LEC can solve this industry-wide problem. The RGA 750 Gen 2. Our ATX-approved and patented RGA substantially reduces the risk of tank fires by subduing sustained arcs during lightning events and other electrical phenomena. The RGA does this better than other traditional methods for bonding floating roofs because the retractable cable is always at the shortest possible length. The low resistance and impedance results in too low voltage to sustain the arc, thus no fire. In-tank potential equalizer. The IPE is made specifically for non-metal and line tanks. When the IPE is inserted into a tank and externally grounded, it will discharge any static electricity within the tank's contents and keep the potential of the tank's contents equal to ground potential. In addition, connecting the IPE to an external ground will create a partial Faraday cage, thus further limiting the electric field strength within the tank. The effects of the IPE will minimize the possibility of electrical discharge and vapor ignition within the tank. DAS, Dissipation Array System. This technology was introduced in 1971. Since that time, over 3,000 systems have been installed worldwide, accruing over 40,000 system years. Throughout this time, the DAS has maintained a success rate over 99%. It prevents direct lightning strikes by reducing the electric field to below lightning collection levels within the protected area. As a result, DAS helps to prevent downtime and loss of assets, while increasing personnel safety. As a manufacturer of lightning protection systems, our company has years of experience in the design and installation of lightning protection and surge protection systems. This enables us to deliver high-quality installations with exemplary customer service at an economical price. For more information on lightning protection products suitable for your facility, contact an LEC specialist today.